Did you know that mix it up at the end completely changes your sentence? Most English language learners fall into this exact trap. Today, we are tearing down these confusing prepositional phrases rules so you can speak fluent English without second guessing your choice. Intention, meaning under stress or strain. Example, the students are in tension because they are waiting for the examination result. In trust, meaning with confidence or faith. Example, the villagers put their trust in the new leader during the difficult period. In wonder, meaning filled with amazement. Example, the children look at the strange object in wonder. In business, meaning engage in commerce or trade. Example, after completing her studies, she will go into business with her sister. In charge of, meaning responsible for or leading. Example, the teacher is in charge of the science laboratory. In class, meaning attending or present at the lesson. Example, the students are in the class at the moment, so they cannot answer the phone. In command of, meaning having control or leadership. Example, the officer was in command of the rescue operation during the emergency. In competition, meaning taking part in a contest. Example, our school is in competition with several other schools in the debate contest. In court, meaning present at the legal hearing. Example, the lawyer was in court when the judge announced the decision. In danger of, meaning likely to suffer harm. Example, the old bridge was in danger of collapsing after heavy rainfall. In difficulty, meaning facing trouble or problem. Example, they were in difficulty after their vehicle broke down on the highway. In doubt about, meaning uncertain, no answer of something. Example, the researchers were in doubt about cause of the unusual event. Understanding prepositional phrases and their meanings help you build better sentences in both writing and speaking. If you enjoyed these English grammar lessons, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more weekly tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and share the video with fellow learners.